Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about woodworking or just getting started, today we've got something special for you. We're counting down the 10 best woodworking tools that will make your wood projects easier and more enjoyable. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Meet the MME Wood Carving Tools Deluxe, the ultimate kit for all your woodworking dreams. This set is a game changer, featuring 9 high-quality whittling knives and a stropping kit to ensure you achieve perfect results every time. The leather toolkit provides secure, stylish storage, with each knife housed in its own protective sheath. These tools are crafted from high-carbon steel, guaranteeing top-notch quality and durability. The extremely sharp blades make carving a breeze, while the walnut-wood handles, finished with a clear varnish, offer a soft, comfortable grip even during long carving sessions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this kit is perfect for a variety of projects, from whittling to detailed sculpting. Number 2. Introducing the Trend Complete Flat-Lying Trammel Set, your go-to tool for precise scribing and cutting. This self-supporting trammel set offers unmatched stability and control, reducing the margin for error and ensuring greater accuracy in your projects. It's compatible with any steel or aluminum ruler from 6 inches long and up to 1 inches wide, making it versatile for various applications. Designed for premium performance, the Trend Complete Flat-Lying Trammel Set excels in marking, mortising, and panel gauging. It provides a greater range for marking deeper into the board, helping you achieve precise and professional results every time. The included hyperfine snap-off blade ensures you always have a sharp, reliable cutting tool on hand, making replacements quick and easy. This trammel set is perfect for high-tolerance scribing and cutting, allowing you to scribe curved lines with ease. It's an essential tool for any woodworking enthusiast looking to enhance their precision and efficiency. Elevate your woodworking projects with the Trend Complete Flat-Lying Trammel Set and experience the difference in accuracy and performance. Number 3. Introducing the new Universal Router Circle Cutting Jig, a versatile 5-in-1 tool designed for woodworking edging projects. This innovative jig cuts perfect circles, grooves straight and round edges, measures accurately, and more, making it essential for various woodworking scenarios. The upgraded jig features a larger base with 12 screw holes, fitting most big and small routers. We provide specific compatible router models and corresponding mounting holes, ensuring seamless compatibility. When mounted, the removable aluminum alloy base transforms into a router slot milling stand, enhancing the tool's functionality and adaptability. The router tool's detachable design allows you to assemble or disassemble components as needed, combining perfectly with a router slot bracket for increased versatility. Ideal for MDF, decorative floral boards, and fine joinery, this tool caters to a wide range of woodworking projects. Experience the convenience and precision of the new Universal Router Circle Cutting Jig and elevate your woodworking projects with its multifunctional capabilities. Number 4. The Trend Adjustable Miter Saw Roller Stand is a versatile and durable roller stand designed for woodworking. Made from 5mm thick high-quality carbon steel, it is precision stamped for accurate dimensions and a compact structure. The surface is galvanized to resist rust, ensuring long-lasting durability. With a remarkable weight capacity of up to 280 pounds, this roller stand features a stable triangular fixed support design that prevents deformation. High-quality smooth bearings in the rotating rollers make your work easier and more efficient. The stand's height can be adjusted from 4.9 inches to 8.1 inches using segmented wavy calipers, allowing for quick and easy adjustments without the need to turn bolts slowly. It serves as an excellent auxiliary tool for cutting wood or steel, suitable for home, factory workshops, and the machinery industry. The stand folds easily for portability and storage and can be used with table saws and miter saws. Depending on your needs, it can be fixed to a workbench with the included carpentry screws or used directly on a temporary carrier thanks to its stable base plate and significant weight. Number 5. The Wolfcraft Jigsaw Table is the ideal accessory for achieving precision in your jigsaw work. This table allows for exact cutting with a clear line of sight to your mark line, ensuring accuracy. The parallel stop enhances this precision, providing consistent and straight cuts. One of the standout features is the cleaner cut edges on the top side of the workpiece, thanks to the ability to cut from the underside of the material, which reduces ragged edges. The table comes with two steel clamps that securely fasten it to any work table with a maximum thickness of 60 millimeters, ensuring stability during use. Additionally, it includes a parallel stop for added convenience and accuracy in your projects. The Wolfcraft Jigsaw table is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their jigsaw cutting precision and achieve professional quality results. Number 6. The GSM Large Imperial Tool Setting Gauge is an essential precision tool for any workshop. Constructed with outer shells made from 14-gauge stainless steel and internal components machined from stainless steel on Swiss lathes, this gauge ensures durability and precision. The tightening wheel is crafted from machined brass, and the outer washers facilitate ultra-smooth adjustments. Available in both large and small sizes to fit your shop's needs, this tool can be used both vertically and horizontally. It allows for quick and easy adjustments by simply loosening the brass knob to set the gauge height. Ideal for setting the height of table saw blades, router bits, drill press depths, and even tool fences, its versatility is unmatched. Equipped with microdetents for precise adjustments down to 1/16 of an inch and easy-to-read laser etchings, the GSM Large Imperial Tool Setting Gauge ensures you achieve perfect results with every project. Number 7. The BOW Products Ultimate Job Site Saw Extender and Safety Kit is a comprehensive bundle designed to transform your small portable table saw or contractor saw into a full-fledged cabinet saw. This kit includes a 46-inch XT extender fence, two XT1 support feeds, two XT2 T-track clamps, FP4 Fence Pro featherboards, and an FP5 portable saw featherboard. The extender fence system extends your work surface, while the support feeds and clamps provide stability. The featherboards enhance safety and precision, helping with smooth feeds and accurate cuts. Setting up the extender fence is quick and easy, attaching or detaching from your existing fence in under 10 seconds. The fence features multiple T-slots that accommodate 5/16-inch or a 1/4-inch T-bolts on various surfaces, allowing for versatile adjustments. Milled slots offer multiple mounting positions: forward for in-feed control, backward for out-feed control, or centered for balanced use. The extender fence is compatible with most fences and accessories, including Delta Uni Fence and Harvey fences, and its T-slots are perfect for additional woodworking tools like featherboards. This complete kit ensures both enhanced performance and safety for your saw setup. Number 8. The Metabo HBT Compound Miter Saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for woodworking. Featuring a large 10-inch table saw, this compound miter saw supports your material effectively with its vise clamping system, ensuring stability and precision. The saw is equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, delivering high power for demanding cuts and achieving a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM. It includes a 24T TCT miter saw blade for reliable performance. This miter saw offers a 0 to 45 degrees bevel range and a 0 to 52 degree miter angle range, allowing for flexible and precise cuts. Positive stops enable quick miter adjustments, while the lightweight design at just 24.2 pounds makes it easy to maneuver and transport. Safety is a priority with an electric brake that stops the blade swiftly, a built-in blade guard, and a horizontal handle for secure operation. The Metabo HBT Compound Miter Saw is ideal for both professional and DIY projects, combining power, precision, and safety in one reliable tool. Number 9. The Jorgensen No. 102 3.5-inch Mini Wood Planer is a compact and efficient tool for precise woodworking tasks. This mini hand planer, also known as a block plane, features a ductile iron body that provides durability and resilience for heavy-duty use. The blade is crafted from 9CRWMN, a high-quality O1 tool steel known for its excellent cutting efficiency and minimal wear. It is finely sharpened for effective wood planing and can be repeatedly sharpened and adjusted for extended service life. The planer's adjustable design allows for easy modification of the cutting depth by simply turning the knob, enabling you to handle various wood thicknesses effortlessly. Its lever cap is made of zinc alloy, while other components are constructed from stainless steel, ensuring robustness and resistance to damage. Compact and portable, the Jorgensen Mini Block Plane is ideal for trimming, polishing, deburring, and other surface processing tasks. It is suitable for both DIY projects and professional crafts. The professionally polished flat bottom ensures smooth operation, and the included instruction manual makes it user-friendly for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. Note the sharp blade when operating. Number 10. The WorkPro 13-inch nail puller is a versatile tool designed for efficient nail removal in home remodeling, professional carpentry, and woodworking projects. Featuring a special rocking head and a cat's paw nail digger with a flat striking face, this nail puller provides excellent leverage with its 13-inch long I-beam handle. This design allows for easy removal of nails with minimal effort. The pointed penetration end digs precisely into wood to extract embedded nails with minimal damage, while the round surface of the rocking end helps pull nails without leaving indentations on finished surfaces. The unique rocking head design allows the tool to pull nails incrementally, grabbing the nail shaft for effortless removal of long, headless, or gun nails, even from the back. Crafted from high-quality steel and coated with a black electrophoretic finish, the pry bar is both durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. It's an ideal choice for carpenters, roofers, homeowners, and DIY enthusiasts tackling demolition work, remodeling, and woodworking tasks. Reliable and sturdy, the WorkPro nail puller is essential for various construction needs.